Evaluate. Let's say that you are given this limit as x approaches infinity. The way to evaluate this limit is to find the highest power in the whole problem. So for this problem, the highest power will be x raised to the third power. Once you find the highest power from the whole problem, you just need to divide it. You just need to divide the numerator and the denominator by the highest power. So for the numerator, it will be x squared divided by x to the third minus 4x divided by x to the third plus 6 divided by x to the third. It's the same concept for the denominator. Once you do that, to simplify this expression right here, you take x second minus x to the third. So it will be x minus 1. To get rid of the negative exponent, you just divide it by 1. So it will be 1 over x. As for this expression, the 4 will be on the numerator. X raised to the first power minus 3. It will be x raised to negative 2. So to get rid of the negative 2, you just put it on the denominator. As for this one, it will stay the same. For the denominator right here, x raised to the third divided by x raised to the third, it will become 1. As for this one, it will be 6 divided by x squared. And this one stays the same. To find the limit as x approaches infinity for 1 divided by x, it will be 0. Because the denominator, if you take 1 divided by a very large number, it will become 0. It's the same thing for 4 divided by x squared, because if you take 4 divided by a very large number, like almost to infinity, you will reach 0. It's the same thing for 6 divided by a very large number. It will be 0 too. And this constant right here will stay the same, which is 1. As for this one, it will be 0. 4 divided by x to the third power will become 0. Because if you take 4 divided by a very large number, the answer will be 0. So the first term right here will be 0 minus 0 plus 0 divided by 1 plus 0 minus 0. So on the numerator, you will left with 0 divided by 1. So the answer for this limits will be 1. Will be 0.